Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lime CRM. Lime CRM is a simple and powerful tool used by businesses to manage customer relationships. You start by logging into your Lime CRM dashboard using your company account. Here, you can view all customer details like names, emails, deals, and notes in one place. To add a customer, just click New Contacts and fill in the details. It also lets you track sales. You can follow leads and convert them into clients. You can assign tasks to team members and set reminders for follow-ups. The dashboard gives a clear overview of your sales pipeline and performance. You can filter customers by categories, regions, or deal stages. Lime CRM also links to your email, so you can send or read messages directly from the system. You can attach files like invoices, contracts, or meeting notes to customer records. It helps you stay organized and never miss an important deal or meeting. You can also create custom reports to track customer trends or sales goals. If you're working in a team, everyone can see the same up-to-date info. It even integrates with other tools like Outlook, Gmail, and marketing software. Overall, Lime CRM makes it easy to keep customers happy and the business running smoothly. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.